We just did 3 bears. Let's go. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm currently up at the Woolly Mammoth lot just off of I-70 here on the Front Range of Colorado next to Morrison, Colorado and Golden. And I'm actually riding up with a buddy today, my buddy Dave, who you guys might have seen in the last video I made for you guys up at Winter Park. Instead of Winter Park though, we're actually going up to Copper. So in a little bit, I'm gonna be joining him, jumping in his car, and then we're gonna be making the about hour and 15-minute drive to Copper Mountain. So that's the plan going forward for today. But real quick, I just wanna thank all you guys so much, because just a couple days ago we actually cracked over the 1,000 subscribers mark, and I gotta tell you, it means the world to have so many people just care about the channel, care about like all the videos I'm putting out there, and enjoying all the videos that I'm putting out there. Just means so much. My buddy Dave just showed up, so I'm gonna grab my gear, we're gonna jump in his car and make the trek up to Copper Mountain. All right, gang, just made it up to Copper with my buddy Dave over there. Just got off Super B. Gonna do our first lap back down to the base of East Village as usual. Oh yeah. It's always nice on this side in the morning warming up because the sun pokes out from the east and just warms all this up right away. Unless you're hiding in the trees like we are right now. Oh, let's warm up first. Him and I had such a good weekend last week up at Winter Park. Just had one of those all-time days on the skis. Back out today, and nothing really for new snow. But I mean, the conditions have been so good that we figured come up here and packed parking lot. It's after New Year's, so everyone's still trying to come up and get maybe those holiday turns in. And maybe starting those ski trips. The other day I waxed and tuned me and Savon skis, and man, like I don't think I'm great at doing edges yet at all. I think I still need to maybe do some tutorials or just ask like a ski shop if I can maybe learn how to tune my skis, but I've never had them to be this loose on the bottom. Like I've waxed them I think pretty damn well, because I mean, I don't have to even push, and I'm just sliding like crazy. I feel like Clark Griswold. Warm day, good buddy. Let's have a day.
They try to bring us down. They say the king is down. They dance around the course. They throw me in the fire. I'm rising from the ashes. It's David v. Goliath. I'm gonna win a course. I'm singing in the storm. Put it on the line. I'ma risk it all. My feet on fire. I'm a fist of gold. Oh, that's on my mind is where I wish to go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, gang, so Dave and I just did a run off the Resolution lift and went down to the bottom over there, and we realized the Spalding Bowl over here on the back bowl section over by the Resolution Bowl is open. And this is actually an area I haven't been to all year and maybe even all of last year, because this area in the back bowl and Three Bears didn't open up till maybe like late February. Conditions over here look pretty good, bluebird day, and I think we're just gonna knock off a little something different on each side of the mountain for you guys today, because I haven't really explored any of the back bowls this year. Maybe knock off Three Bears, Copper Bowl, and Spalding Bowl right now. But great day, bluebird day, hanging out with my buddy Dave. What's better? Whoa, Dave! Buddy, you alright? You alright?
Got in the back.
Take a second. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Everybody get up.
Alright guys, well, after traversing pretty much the whole front side of the resort and then taking one of the main lifts up and then taking Sierra up and then even do another T-bar to the top, we finally made it to the back bowls here at Copper, which is so awesome because this is just an area of the resort that I haven't been to in so long, and it's just one of my favorite ski spots probably that I've ever been into, because it's so beautiful back here and just the views that you have, the surrounding areas are absolutely epic. We just did one run off the Copper Bowl, and then we actually just made our way down to Three Bears, because this lift really hasn't been open all year until maybe I think earlier last week. But when the snow is good over here, this is like one of the most epic places to do runs pretty much in all Copper. Just a great area. So we're gonna kind of explore over here, maybe go back to Copper Bowl for a little bit for a few more turns. But absolutely loving this day, surprising us with all this back bowl accesses and the fact that everything is pretty much open. It's just so nice for the new year. So gonna keep enjoying it, gonna keep riding, gonna keep having a day, you guys. We just did
Three Bears. Let's go.
My buddy Dave and I just did 2 runs off of the Three Bears lift, and we were actually gonna go back and do maybe 1 or 2 more runs off the Copper Bowl lift, but the runs over here in the snow at the top of Three Bears is just so good right now that I think we're gonna do 1 more run over here before we head back to the front side and kind of wrap up the day. But all in all, had an awesome day. I mean, the snow kind of early mid-season right now, it's just out of this world. And the fact that we can be back here riding the back bowls again, just it's such a special spot and just such a great area to ride. So we're gonna do probably 1 more run up here and then head back to the front and wrap this day up. We're not done yet. We are not done yet. A few more, let's go home. Well, gang, just made it back to the car. Had an absolute awesome day with Dave. Just one of the best guys I know out here, and a really good friend. Copper was yet again just an amazing day to be able to ride a little bit of everything around the whole resort, and just to be able to knock off a few different areas of terrain that we haven't been to all year has been just absolutely amazing. 3 bears today was absolutely epic. I'm still up in the dinosaur lot here off of I-70 and just kind of doing some reflecting because it's been such a long journey through YouTube, and I've only been doing it for about 3 years, but it just seems like so long because of all the good times that my wife and I and all of our friends, and even just by myself, you know, we've gone on so many adventures together, and the fact that we have all these memories just built up into one channel, it's just so nice to have. I mean, I understand the whole subscriber thing and the likes and the comments are great, and to meet all of you, it's amazing. It's like one of the best feelings I could possibly ever have, but to have all these memories bottled up and to be able to repeat them over and over again for like when I get older, or when my nieces and nephews get older and they can see, like, you know, there's more to life than just being inside all day. I want to be able to show people that there's always a different adventure you can go on, whether it's something that's on my channel or just something that is completely out of your comfort zone. I think YouTube is just a great way of expressing that, and I hope I express it with you guys in the right ways. But going forward, I just want to say thank you all so much again for watching. Thank you all the subscribers. I'm so happy we hit 1,000, and I just hope it keeps on going up from there. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope to see you oot in a boot. I'll see you guys in the next one.